Hello everyone. So let's begin. So we'll start in a low lunge. So lifting up the left knee, interlocking the fingers, gently pressing them against the thigh. Slowly release. We'll move into half split, keeping the left knee slightly bent, keeping a neutral spine. Slowly coming forwards. We'll move into a quad stretch now, so lifting up the right foot, seeing if you can hold onto the foot with a hand. Don't worry if you can't quite hold the foot with both hands, just moving with what's available to you. Gently release. Let's switch sides, bringing the left knee back in, placing the right foot out in front of us, interlocking the fingers, pressing the hands against the thigh. And now moving into a counter stretch, so sending the body back, keeping the right knee slightly bent, ease the body forwards, keeping a neutral spine. And gently release, coming forwards, moving into a quad stretch, so reaching back with the left hand, seeing if you can hold onto the ankle. Gently pulling the foot in towards the body, just moving with what's available. And gently release. And then we'll make our way to lie on our bellies. We'll move into Sphinx pose, so placing both hands out to the front of the body, elbows underneath the shoulders, and almost as if we're pulling the elbows in towards the chest, avoiding any dropping of the shoulders. Keeping the feet together. And gently release. So move into Cobra now, so placing the hands underneath the shoulders, lifting up through the chest, keeping the elbows bent, And if this isn't quite available, you can move halfway down into half cobra. Lower legs should be touching and engaged, avoiding any dropping of the shoulders. And gently release. And coming up to kneeling, and then moving up onto all fours, we'll make our way into puppy pose, walking the hands forward. Slowly release, coming back up, and thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope to see you again soon.